Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to your Facebook ad account and pay for Facebook ads using PayPal. It's quick, simple, and one of the most convenient ways to manage your ad payments, especially if you prefer PayPal for its security and ease of use. So let's dive right in and get you set up in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Simply search for Facebook Ads Manager to get started. Once you've located the main page, click on the link that says Go to Ads Manager. This will take you straight to Facebook's login page. Now, enter your login credentials, your email and password associated with your Facebook account. After entering your information, hit the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the extra steps to access your account. Don't skip this part for your security. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Ads Manager dashboard, where you can view your active and past advertising campaigns. From here, look toward the menu options and select Billing and Payments. This section is where you manage the financial side of your advertising. Inside the Billing and Payments section, find and click on Payment Settings. You'll be taken to a new page where you can add or manage your payment methods. Now, look for the option that says Add Payment Method. Clicking this will open a list of available payment options, and here's where you'll select PayPal. PayPal is widely accepted and offers a secure, straightforward way to link with Facebook. After selecting PayPal, click Next to proceed. Now, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. Use your PayPal login credentials to sign in. If you don't already have a PayPal account, don't worry. You can easily create one at this stage. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your PayPal account to your Facebook ad account. This involves confirming your PayPal details and allowing Facebook to charge your PayPal for advertising expenses. Once logged in, you'll see a screen from PayPal asking you to agree and continue. This step is super important. It authorizes Facebook to securely access your PayPal account for advertising expenses. After clicking Agree and Continue, you'll return to Facebook Ads Manager. A confirmation message will appear letting you know the linking was successful. Click Done and you're all set. And there you have it. You've just successfully added PayPal to your Facebook ad account and can now pay for your ads quickly and safely. How easy was that? If you encounter any issues along the way, remember that both Facebook and PayPal offer great support resources to help you troubleshoot. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Until next time, stay smart, stay creative, and happy advertising.